First thing we need to do is we need to open up the Amazon app. Once you're in the app, you can actually just go into the search bar up here and just type in Amazon Locker like I've done so here. Once this, you can actually see there's an option called Pickup and Return, which is what we want to click on. Ignore all the other search results, but just click on this option. And you can see if we scroll down a little bit, it'll actually just show you all of these Amazon lockers. They'll be filtered by distance, just starting from the closest to the furthest away. And you can even zoom out on this map if you do want to see more options, just like in the broader like 100-mile range, for example. Or if you do want to find an Amazon locker in a specific area, you can enter in your zip code and just search it like that. And you can even change your country just on this top option right here. And once you have found the address, the Amazon locker that you actually want to use, you simply add it to address book just like that. It adds immediately, and you can actually see if we go on to our cart right here, I have something in my cart and just want to check out. You can actually see once I scroll down and click on change delivery address, we'll be brought to this page right here where you scroll down and you can click on Amazon Locker, and all you do is you click on deliver to the address and it will be delivered to the address, and you'll get like a 5-digit code of letters and numbers that all you need to do is you type that into the box and it will allow you to actually access your package or make a return. And yeah, it's really dang easy to use, but that's literally it. Hope you found this helpful.